Hey adventurers! Welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers, the channel where staying active never gets old. Today, we're diving into 5 easy outdoor activities that you can start today. No matter your age, fitness level, or schedule, these activities are simple, fun, and a great way to reconnect with nature. You don't need expensive gear or long hours to enjoy the outdoors. In fact, just a few minutes outside can boost your mood, lower stress, and give you that extra spark of energy you've been missing. Ready? Let's jump into our list. Walking in nature. First up, walking. It's the easiest way to move your body, clear your mind, and enjoy the scenery. Whether it's a stroll around your neighborhood or a nature trail at your local park, walking is low impact and perfect for all ages. Second, cycling. Grab a comfort bike or even an e-bike and cruise along a scenic path. You control the pace. Go easy for relaxation or push a little harder for cardio. Either way, it's a refreshing way to cover more ground and see new sights. Gardening. Third, gardening. Believe it or not, tending to plants is one of the best outdoor workouts. Digging, planting, and watering get your body moving, while the colors and scents of flowers or veggies calm your mind. Plus, you'll see the reward of your effort bloom right in front of you. Kayaking or canoeing. Fourth, kayaking. If you live near calm waters, this is a peaceful way to enjoy the outdoors while giving your arms, shoulders, and core a workout. Even a short paddle session can leave you feeling more relaxed and refreshed. Outdoor relaxation or yoga. Fifth, outdoor relaxation. Bring your yoga mat, do some light stretching, or just sit quietly and listen to the sounds of nature. Outdoor yoga or mindfulness helps reduce stress and sharpens your focus. Sometimes the best activity is simply to slow down and breathe. So let's recap: walking, cycling, gardening, kayaking, and outdoor relaxation. 5 easy activities, all beginner-friendly and all guaranteed to make your day brighter. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these and try it this week. Remember, outdoor living isn't about doing more, it's about enjoying life at your own pace. Which of these activities would you start with? Drop your answer in the comments and let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers, and share it with a friend who needs a little outdoor motivation. Thanks for spending time with us here at Over the Hill Yackers, where staying active never gets old. We hope today's ideas inspire you to step outside and enjoy the simple joys of nature. Remember, every small step outdoors is a big step toward a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay safe, stay active, and we'll see you back outdoors. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting new physical activities, especially if you have existing health conditions.